What's the meaning of anthurium? Anthurium. 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 Anthurium.
Anthurium is a type of ornamental plant commonly grown for its bright, showy flowers and shiny foliage. The name anthurium comes from the Greek words anthos, meaning flower, and aura, meaning tail, which refers to the characteristic spike-like inflorescence that extends from the center of each flower. Anthuriums are native to tropical regions of Central and South America, but they are now cultivated worldwide as houseplants and cut flowers due to their attractive appearance and long-lasting blooms. They are also commonly used in floral arrangements, weddings, and other special occasions.